The no makeup look is one of those confusing terms that isn't for the lazy. It's about putting in a lot of effort and yet giving off the I woke up like this vibe. There's a newbie in B-Town who's giving us major goals for her all-natural makeup look, and that is Ananya Pandey. I've been crushing over her look from the poster of Student of the Year 2. She's so stunning, and so of course I decided to recreate the look. For a flawless base, start with a face serum. This helps hydrate and moisturize your face. Use a primer under the eyes and nose. This helps minimize pores and also makes your skin look plump. Cover up any redness or discoloration using a color corrector that works for your skin tone. I go for a peach and green corrector. Use a concealer that's close to your skin tone to cover up your dark circles and blemishes. Once you've got your face prepped, go ahead with the foundation. Use one that has medium to buildable coverage and is either a liquid or a mousse foundation. Use a translucent powder to set your makeup in place, leaving the under eye area, giving the concealer a little more time to set. Use a concealer that is a little lighter than your skin tone to highlight the under eye area. Once the concealer is blended, set the under eye area with powder. Since the look is minimal, you want to draw focus to the center of your face, which is your brows and your nose. So I'm only going to contour those parts of my face. This look needs to be as natural as possible, so you don't want those strong contour lines. You want something softer, so opt for a bronzer instead. The trick to getting perfect brows is using restraint. Use a light hand when you fill them in. Go for an angled brush to evenly distribute the pigment. Apply bronze eyeshadow on your lid using a patting brush and then add a little brown on your crease. Once that's done, blend it all in. Line your upper lash line with kajal and smudge it out with a small brush. Start from the inner corner to the center of your lower lash line and then smoke it out. Curl your eyelashes before you go ahead with your mascara. Don't go overboard with your mascara. Just a little bit of it on your lashes will do. Apply a nude lipstick as a base and then dab some purple lipstick with your fingers. And you're done. I hope I've managed to achieve this flawless look, and I'm really excited to see Ananya Pandey on screen. Let me know what you think of this tutorial in the comment section below. For more beauty tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty.